Modern defense relies on advanced weaponry. Nations need tools that are reliable and effective. The Heckler & Koch MP5 submachine gun is one such tool. It has become a mainstay for security forces around the world, including India. Its adaptability and performance make it a crucial asset in a nation's defense strategy. The MP5 is more than just a weapon. It represents a commitment to equipping security forces with the best technology. In an age where threats are constantly evolving, having the right tools can be the difference between success and failure. The MP5 embodies this commitment to excellence. Choosing the right weapon system is a complex decision. Factors like operational environment and tactical needs must be considered. The MP5's versatility allows it to excel in various situations, making it an ideal choice for India's diverse security challenges. The MP5 is chambered for the 9x19 mm parabellum cartridge, a widely used and effective pistol caliber. This caliber offers a balance of power and control, making it suitable for a variety of engagements. The MP5 is not a one-size-fits-all weapon. Several versions of the MP5 exist, each tailored for specific roles. Some versions are designed for close-quarters combat, while others are optimized for longer ranges. This variety allows security forces to select the MP5 variant that best suits their needs. The MP5's versatility extends beyond its different versions. It can be fitted with various accessories, such as scopes, suppressors, and tactical lights. This modularity further enhances its adaptability, making it suitable for a wide range of missions. The MP5 has a high rate of fire, allowing for rapid target engagement. However, the weapon is designed for controllability. Its relatively low recoil makes it easier to keep on target, even during rapid fire. This is essential in urban environments where accuracy is paramount. The MP5's effective range varies depending on the specific variant. Generally, it is effective up to 100 meters. This range is ideal for engagements in urban areas and other confined spaces. The MP5's accuracy within this range makes it a reliable tool for close-quarters combat. The combination of rate of fire, effective range, and controllability makes the MP5 a formidable weapon in close-quarters engagements. Its ability to deliver accurate fire rapidly gives security forces a crucial advantage in dynamic situations. The MP5 is renowned for its accuracy. Its design minimizes recoil and improves sight alignment, allowing for precise shots. This is crucial in situations where collateral damage must be avoided. Whether engaging targets in urban environments or securing critical infrastructure, the MP5's accuracy is a valuable asset. The MP5's popularity has led to the issuance of manufacturing licenses worldwide. This allows nations like India to produce the weapon domestically, reducing reliance on foreign suppliers. This localized production strengthens India's defense industry and ensures a steady supply of this vital weapons system. The global reach of the MP5 is a testament to its quality and effectiveness. Its widespread adoption highlights the trust that security forces around the world place in this weapons system. This international cooperation also facilitates the sharing of knowledge and best practices, further enhancing the MP5's capabilities. The MP5 has been in service for decades. Throughout its lifespan, it has undergone various upgrades. These upgrades ensure the MP5 remains relevant on the modern battlefield. Improvements have been made to its ergonomics, sights, and materials, enhancing its performance and durability. One notable upgrade is the integration of Picatinny rails. These rails allow for the easy attachment of accessories such as optics, lights, and laser aiming devices. This modularity enhances the MP5's versatility and enables it to be tailored for specific mission requirements. Upgrades to the MP5's internal components have also been implemented. These include improvements to the bolt carrier group and trigger mechanism, enhancing the weapon's reliability and service life. By continuously updating and refining the MP5, Heckler & Koch ensures that it remains a top-tier submachine gun for years to come. The MP5 is more than just a firearm. It is a strategic asset for India. Its versatility, reliability, and accuracy make it well suited for a range of security challenges. From counter-terrorism operations to VIP protection, the MP5 provides a crucial tactical advantage. India's decision to adopt the MP5 demonstrates a commitment to providing its security forces with the best tools available. The MP5's global reputation, combined with its adaptability, makes it a wise choice for India's evolving security needs. By embracing upgrades and international cooperation, India can continue to enhance the MP5's capabilities. The MP5 stands as a testament to the importance of advanced weaponry in safeguarding a nation's security. Its adoption by India signifies a dedication to excellence in defense preparedness.